Hello friends, in first part of this tutorial I told you in detail, how to create this colorful glossy 3D text effect without using the 3D feature. Now in this session I will tell you how can you record an action for this effect, and I have also a gift for you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start. First go to File and take a new document. Choose 1000 by 1000 pixels for height and width, and resolution is 300. Then click OK. Now select 40% gray as we did in first session. And fill in your background. If you have missed the first part of this tutorial, please check the link in video description or in cards on top as well. Now take the type tool, choose any font and type any letter. Now fill this text with 55% gray. Press Alt plus Delete to fill. Now rename this layer as text. Then go to Action panel. If this panel is not showing in your panels, then simply go to Windows and click on Actions. In Action panel click on Create New Set button. This will open a dialog box. Here type any name for your new action. Then click OK to continue. Now we will record all steps in this new set. Now click on this Create New Action button. And type a name for your new action again. Then press the record button. Then repeat the all steps and procedure which I told you in the first part of this tutorial. If you have missed the first part, please check the link in description and must watch that video. And after completing the all steps, stop recording. Then select this new recorded action and click on Flyout button. And click on Save Actions to save this action as action file. Browse the location where you want to save and click on Save. I have already saved this file. Now I will tell you how to use this action file. To load this action file or any action file, open the Action panel and click on Flyout button and then click on Load Action. Browse your action file and click on Load. Now to play this action, take a new file of 1000 by 1000 pixels with 300 resolution, choose 40% gray for background, type your first alphabet and choose 55% gray for text color, and rename the text file as text. Now go to Actions panel, select your action set and press the play button to apply the action. Then to adjust the shadow, just open the final folder, and find the shadow layer and move. Now I tell you how can you make this effect more attractive and beautiful. Create a new layer above the background layer. Take the ellipse tool and draw a shape like this. And fill this shape with white color. My background color is selected as white, so I can press Ctrl plus Delete or backspace to fill with white. Then press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Then go to Filter, Blur, choose Gaussian Blur and apply 100 pixels. Then press Ctrl plus T to open the free transform, and on top type 30° in angle to rotate the glow 30°. Then press Enter and press Ctrl plus T again, and this time type 60% for height and press Enter or return. Then again go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur and this time apply 80 pixels and click OK. Now select your background layer and go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and here I will apply vignetting. Now I will tell you how can you apply a colorful background. I downloaded this light backgrounds from unsplash.com, just drag any background image in your document. Then apply 80 or 100 pixels of Gaussian blur. Now finally, if you want, you can add brightness adjustment layer, and can increase or decrease the brightness. Same as you can apply this action on all alphabets one by one, and then you can combine them. I am going to run this step little fast, but you will get the idea. For this example I will use a duplicate copy of this letter, but you have to apply this actions on your all alphabets one by one, and then you can combine them into one canvas as I am doing. Now it's gift time. I have provided the action file for this effect. Please check the link in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.